Hey guys, Campy here. I just ordered and received my new GoPro Hero 9. And I'm about to review it for you, at least the initial unboxing and reviewing. So here we go. So first off, what is it? It is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let me show you some video of me receiving it and opening it in my initial review. Now, what I did do, you'll see a little bit different in the box that I received, is I added something to the price, the total. I ordered another item along with the camera. You'll see it here in the video. It's here. There it is. So, that is my stuff. What are you? Alright, so I did order this additionally to it. It is the dual battery charger and battery. So I get one battery, but I have my other battery that's with my, oh, okay, hold on. There it is. Alright, I got a 32. You can barely see it, it's focused. Hey, crap. Anyway, 32 gigabyte card, that came with it as part of the promotion. And voila. Bum, bum, bum. My GoPro Hero Black. How cool is that? Anything else? Nope, it's empty. Yes. All right, under better light. Let me flip that up. So, what did I get in the box? As I showed a little bit there, I've got my GoPro Hero Black. I've got my dual battery charger plus another battery. So that means I can charge, if I need to, independently, my new battery along with my GoPro battery. I mean, they're both the same, but I'll have two batteries. I could do two batteries. And then what came with the promotion is the 32 gigabyte card. So, this all came as a package deal as long as you did the $50, I think it's $49.99 subscription sign-in. I did that. They knocked off some price for this, which was cool. Is when I did purchase this, they do say that if you do get the subscription, you also get a decent discount and up to 50% discount on other product. So while I was there and I clicked on this actually came into a pretty decent discount. I think it dropped from like 50 bucks down to 34. I'll put the price somewhere around here of what it really was, but I did get it for a pretty decent drop. And I'm happy. And then, of course, I got the memory card. You can't, I mean, it comes with it. What the heck, right? And then the subscription, which I believe the subscription side of the house is going to be worth it. So, without further ado, let's dig into what really matters. The GoPro Hero 9 Black. Do they, question, I'm curious. Is there a silver? Is there a white, a silver, a plus? I mean, I don't think they do. I think there's just the GoPro Hero 9 Black. That's it. I don't even know why they do black. They just do GoPro Hero 9. I don't know. I never thought about that. Okay, so to open it, I must pull this guy. And pulling I will. Cool. All right. Now, everyone else, okay, hold on, push it, there we go. Everyone else has pretty much said the same thing that I will say is I have seen and or been a part of a multitude of GoPros. My latest purchase, which I think I'm quite happy about, and a lot of people have said, I've got a GoPro Hero 3 Silver Plus, GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver, that's what it is. And it came in this big old plastic container with the foot and all that stuff. So this is kind of nice to have this reusable case here, as opposed to all that plastic. So they're being a little more eco-friendly, are they not? Earth-friendly. All right, that wasn't too difficult, and there we go. What do we have? We have a battery, as suspected. That will go with that guy. You have your USB-C cable charging adapter. USB to USB-C. You have What's funny is that was where it's supposed to be, but it wasn't there until, it looks like it got shaken up. But you got one of these curved, gluey foot thingies that almost nobody uses, and when they do use, they tend to regret because it does stick like crazy. Then you have the foot itself that will lock in, and it's a locking style, and they changed the locking style. That's pretty cool. I like that. Sorry, out of camera. So, and then this bad boy to screw in, just like any other GoPro accessory type thingy that you might have. And last but not least, the star of the show, the GoPro Hero 9. Yes, I finally got it. This is really cool. I'm quite excited, actually. This is nice. All right. So there's a lot of sticky panel covering thingies that we need to take off. I'll take care of that here in a little bit. But as we delve further into the tray, looks like you got some rub marks from the tray itself. Wah, no big deal. Semi-rigid case, not too shabby. This right here actually says that, and then recycle. So this is it's a kind of a cardboard plasticky, but paper-esque container. So some people said, I'll leave it, and then I could put my stuff in here and hold it. Some people say, screw it without it. Toss in your GoPro, toss in your accessory stuff, and off you go. I'm probably going to do this because I've got a microphone. I'm going to have another GoPro. I've got my my Hero 3 Plus in here, plus a couple other feet adapter type thingy majobbers and some battery and the battery charger. So hopefully this will all fit in here. Now, what else is in the box? Subscribe to GoPro. So if you want to subscribe, you can use this. Also, you have your quick start guide, I bet, and all your legalese document with your very fine print that walks you through a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Oh, I did not notice this. They still come with a certain number of stickers. Oh yeah, it's raised right here. It's like this whole panel is just a sticker. So you've got one GoPro sticker, a little GoPro sticker, and a little off-angled monochrome GoPro sticker. Kind of cool, GoPro. I gave it a thumbs up. I like that. Yeah, I'm easily entertained. So as I said, what you want to do, how to install it, those of us, well, I'll just throw that on the floor. Okay. Yeah, what I was saying. So cables, yeah, this would probably be, that you would stuff your cables in here, maybe even your other adapter type device doohickey thingamajobbers. And there you go. There's your battery. There's everything. I think this is a great device. I don't know if I could say any more. I love the way that this is working for me so far. I will tell you that I'm going to maintain using this for a period of time. I'll add it to other vlogs and other things that I'm doing. But in the end, I will also give it a review probably about 30 to 60 days in to see if there's anything I hate more on it. Or any other cooler features that come in, or even especially if there's like a firmware update that does something really cool and I'm like, hey guys, you got to check this out. So hopefully all that'll kind of pile in and we'll do great. So last again, do me a favor, if you've lasted this long, go ahead and hit that subscribe, and while you're there, ding that bell and then hit that like button if you don't mind. Okay, I do appreciate it. Follow me if you want to see a little more on this GoPro series. I'm probably going to set up a little series on this with a multitude of GoPro type things that we're going to be doing, along with all the other product reviews that hopefully I'll be moving towards and doing. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. Be safe. Have a good time. Enjoy it. And peace.